Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The holiday shopping season started early this year with early Black Friday sales online, and many of us wanting to buy early because of supply chain issues. At Google, they've been tracking trends of what's hot, and the company's Colette Garcia says,
I love to cook, so I'm going to start with the kitchen gear. And we're really seeing that people are searching for convenience and fast cooking. So things like pressure cookers, air fryers, coffee makers, and there's even a countertop machine for baby formula that's trending as well. So that's a good tip for parents out there.
gaming gear is hot too, including the Nintendo Switch OLED, and sports and fitness is a trending category as well. For kids, one trending toy is a UPS Delivery Man action figure.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.